Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skills Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights. Together, I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you. So let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: Amazon Prime benefits and shopping hacks, a step-by-step guide. Amazon Prime benefits: 1. Free to-day shipping. Benefit: unlimited free-to-day shipping on eligible items. How to use: ensure you are logged into your Prime account. Look for the Prime logo next to items, and select today shipping at checkout. 2. Prime Pantry. Benefit: access to exclusive savings on grocery and household items. How to use: shop in the Prime Pantry section, fill your box with everyday essentials, and get it delivered to your door. 3. Amazon First Reads. Benefit: free early access to new books. How to use: visit the Amazon First Reads page, select a book from the monthly selection, and download it for free or at a discounted price. 4. Amazon Family. Benefit: exclusive family-oriented deals and 20% off diaper subscriptions. How to use: sign up for Amazon Family, subscribe to diaper deliveries, and get automatic discounts. 5. Prime Gaming. Benefit: free in-game loot, monthly channel subscriptions on Twitch, and more. How to use: link your Prime account to Twitch, claim your free in-game items, and use your monthly Twitch subscription. 6. Amazon Photos. Benefit: unlimited photo storage and 5 gigabytes for videos. How to use: download the Amazon Photos app, upload your photos, and access them from any device. More shopping hacks. 1. Deal of the day hack. Check the deal of the day for special discounts on select items. How to use: visit the Today's Deals page daily to see the deal of the day and take advantage of significant discounts. 2. Student discounts hack. Students can get a Prime membership at half the cost. How to use: sign up for Prime Student with a valid edu email address, enjoy a 6-month trial, and pay 50% less for your membership. 3. Amazon Trade-in hack. Trade in your old electronics, books, and more for Amazon gift cards. How to use: go to the Amazon Trade-in page, find items you can trade, send them in, and receive gift card credit. 4. Amazon credit cards hack. Use Amazon credit cards for additional rewards and cashback. How to use: apply for an Amazon credit card, use it for purchases, and earn cashback or points. 5. Price match and refunds hack. Use Amazon refund policies to your advantage if prices drop shortly after your purchase. How to use: monitor prices post purchase and contact customer service if you notice a price drop within a short period. 6. Amazon Household hack. Share your Prime benefits with family members. How to use: set up an Amazon household to share your Prime benefits with one other adult and up to 4 children. 7. Amazon Coupons hack. Combine digital coupons with subscribe and save for double the savings. How to use: clip available coupons on product pages, select subscribe and save, and enjoy the combined discount. 8. Warehouse deals and renewed items hack. Save on returned, refurbished, or slightly damaged items. How to use: visit Amazon Warehouse or Amazon Renewed, browse for deals, and purchase items at reduced prices with the assurance of quality. 9. Seasonal sales hack. Take advantage of major sales events like Prime Day, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday. How to use: plan your purchases around these sales, create a wish list, and be ready to act quickly when deals go live. 10. Price protection with credit cards hack. Use credit cards that offer price protection if the price of an item drops after you buy it. How to use: check your credit card's terms for price protection policies, make a claim if the price drops, and get refunded the difference. By fully utilizing these additional Amazon Prime benefits and shopping hacks, you can optimize your shopping experience, save money, and get the most out of your Amazon Prime membership. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. like this. See you in the next video.